Khubborjylla kadang up bekasngi bau Myntri Rangbahduh kari Narendra Modi ulan nakabentaban Plie bano ya kajaka pule doktor kabaningkong ya Khubborjylla ke Shillong Medical College la pentip Myntri ke kuat kakia Khubborjylla ba wailat miki shilla habakran shakilat pathai Khubor. Ulayathu bana kaliang Myntri Khubborjylla konrat ke sangma udang yai budin berkasor kar pedeng halor kani hakabalas ngauthu bau Myntri Rangbahduh unwan hakapor ba kindon ki projek Kiba khamhe ban Plie ba ne bu maunong rim halor katura medical college ulaong ba kajing thungkam kala sedang ba kajing tei kala dep kumba khandai busan persen hadu mentah.
Same thing like last time also because we really want, because since we have been waiting for all this time for the Prime Minister, so that's why till now I think the Chief Minister is in touch with the Union government, so that's why we are like waiting for the date from the Honorable Prime Minister. And we do understand that Honorable Prime Minister coming, I think he will definitely want to come for like at the same time, not only for Shillong Medical College, so maybe some other major project also. So maybe at the same time they are waiting that at least they will have at least 3-4 major project or anything when PM comes, so they can inaugurate or they can put the foundation stone in that way. So I think maybe they are working on that. It's not yet full, but it's it's for the first year we have the required faculty. Right now, because it is still under the like we already float the advertisement for the recruitment, so recruitment is under process.
The building complete, all the infrastructure?
No, it's not yet complete, but it's like almost 95% is complete. So only like a few minor things, but the major thing has been done. And I think since we already decided that the hostel of the Tura Medical College will be used for the accommodation in national game as well. So that's why we have changed we have changed the design a little bit, where we have put some more facilities in the hostel. So that's, I think that also has come. So that's why I think a little bit of construction has to be done.